many of us may remember what they taught us in our school days. That is, the Earth's axis is tilted by 23.5 degrees. If we don't have this tilt, we won't have any seasons. It is a fact. Both the North and the South Poles always had plenty of snow and ice. This formed a mirrored pattern of climatic conditions on the north and the southern hemispheres of our planet. Now, if the snow and ice in one of the poles melts away, the climate will be drastically affected in that hemisphere, which we are experiencing in the northern hemisphere even now. It shouldn't come as a surprise to anyone. Well, how did it all happen? It happened because the North Pole had been shifting toward the sun, exposing the ice to the sun's rays, which caused it to melt. People living in the northern regions say that they are getting more days and hours of sun, which is impossible without the physical shift of the pole. While the scientific community knew about it for a very long time, they were selling us fascinating stories about magnetic pole, geographic pole, geomagnetic pole, and the geomagnetic reversal and all that. Now, the ruling elites want to connect this phenomenon with global warming. To say the least, it is very misleading. And again, it is not even smart. They talk about carbon emission. In fact, carbon is good for the plants. In my little aquarium, if I want the plants to grow, all I have to do is pump in carbon dioxide. The results are amazing. Is it all that bad to grow some more food in this planet? In many parts of the earth, the forest cover has increased in recent years because of carbon dioxide. And again, the Bible is more accurate than all the tomorrow's newspapers. When it comes to its prophecies, it gave warning to humans about the New World Order 2,500 years before its formation. Jesus, during his time, also mentioned a lot about poverty, wars, earthquakes, and other end-time events before his triumphal return. And yet, he never said a word about the danger of a global warming, because he is coming soon. Before any such thing happens, he will clean up the earth. The Bible says that he will burn the chariots by fire and break the nukes. And it goes on to say that they shall learn war no more. Global warming is simply the ruling elite's fear-mongering ploy to gain more power. It has reached a feverish pitch lately. They want to manage the climate with your money while they hog all the wealth in the world. Their ultimate aim is power through the New World Order. They will use any tool and imagery to control the people of this planet. Recently, in India, they gave a biometric ID to every citizen, and they stopped people from even enrolling their kids to the kindergarten without that ID. Then there was a huge uproar. Realizing they have stuck their toes in their mouth, they retreated. And in China, it is getting worse than North Korea when it comes to surveilling their own citizens. It doesn't take long before implementing such restriction in the Western nations. In every way, the noose is around the neck, and they can use it whenever the time is ripe. Isn't it what the Bible prophesied? It talks about what the leader of the New World Order does as follows. He causes all, both small and great, rich and poor, free and slave, to receive a mark on their right hand or on their foreheads, and that no one may buy or sell except one who has the mark or the name of the beast or the number of his name, meaning be a part of our controlled system of slaves. or else starve to death. Coming back to our topic of the global warming, we all need to be better stewards of the planet that God has given us. But these fearmongers need to realize that this is the punishment of a liar. He is not believed even when he speaks the truth. Thanks for watching.